Hey guys, it's Darren. So after what seems like an eternity of leaks and rumours of the DJI Mavic 3, it has now been officially announced by DJI. It's now on their website. You can go out and buy it. So go and check out all the different promotions on the website, watch the trailers, and boy, it looks fantastic. But you might be thinking, which one should you actually go out and buy? Which one do you really need? And which one did I buy? So in this video, I'm going to discuss that really quickly and then hopefully have a better understanding of which one to go out and get. So first, well done to Jasper27. You can go and have now a well-deserved rest, but all the leaks and rumours of this drone, and it's now actually available to go out and buy this. So as we discussed, we've got the three models, the DJI Mavic 3 standard, which comes with that controller, the Fly More combo, and the Cine Premium combo. Now I've got the prices as well for UK, EU, and US. I'm afraid I can't go throughout all the different other countries, but you know I just love you. I just can't convert all these. This video will be really long, so go and check it out for your actual country you're in. But UK, for the standard package 1879, that gets you the drone and the actual controller as well. And I would feel that is probably going to be the most popular one, but I'll come back to that in a second. The Fly More 2549, and that Cine Premium combo £4,279. That if you're in the UK. So we have been screwed over again by the dollar conversion rate, but those are the actual prices. If you're in Europe, and thanks to Philip Scrabber for sending me these prices, 2,139 for that standard, 2,849 for the Fly More, and 4,879 for the Cine Premium. And for the US viewers, 2,200 for the standard, 3,000 for the Fly More, and just under 5,000 for the Cine Premium model. So really quickly, what do you actually get, and what's the difference between, say, if you're thinking should I get the standard or the Fly More combo, or if you've got loads of money to burn, that Cine Premium model. So just really briefly and basically, let's just have a quick look through that. So the DJI Fly More combo, the difference between this and the standard, you're going to get 3 batteries, not 2, 3 batteries, and these batteries will be in the UK round about £199 per battery. So they're not going to be cheap. It's because these are really huge 5,000 milliamp batteries, going to give you around about a 46 minute flight time. So big batteries, big price. You're going to get 3 of those. You're going to get a battery charging hub, this convertible carry case, which is like a case for your drone. It's also a backpack. That alone as a standalone is expensive. You're going to get ND filters, a set of ND 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now that Cine Premium model, aside from that gold etching which we've discussed, this brings you 3 batteries as well, the exact same 3 batteries. You're going to get the Apple ProRes 422 HQ file format with that 1 terabyte SSD. That alone, the SSD is worth a lot of money, and you're going to get the smart controller. Well, if we just looked at now, so if you got the Fly More combo, £2,549, and you added on that smart controller, which is about £1,000, you're up to £3,500. So you're paying round about £800 for that SSD, the ProRes, and the high-speed data cable capability. So you don't need that unless you are doing this full time and you're making a lot of money from your drone. You're a filmmaker, you use a drone daily, you are bringing in thousands from your drone. If you don't, the Fly More combo or the standard is the one I recommend to you. Yes, I would love to get the Cine Premium model just for the gold etching, the SSD, the convenience, and that ProRes high quality video is going to be excellent and also much easier for editing. But for me, because this is just a filmmaking tool, and because flying the drone and using the drone isn't my full-time job but bringing in me so much money, I don't need it, and I would say not many of you do either. So which one would you get, the standard or the Fly More? Now I always recommend to you guys to pick up the Fly More combo because you're going to get 3 batteries, the ND filters, the on-the-go charging hub and the carry case. So as a package, it's worth it alone. $2,549 or $2,849 or $3,000. It's a lot of money. If you've got that money, go for that. If you're happy to get this, go for that one. If money's no object, go for this or the Cine Premium model. The drone itself, aside from the hard drive and the ProRes, doesn't change. No matter which version you get, it's all the same technology in there. It's the same camera, it's the same flight performance, the same spec, the same technology. You're just going to get ProRes and the SSD on the Premium combo. So pick the one which is more appropriate for you, justifiable to you and maybe to your partner and to the Christmas coming up and loads of other things you might want out and go out and buy. It's still expensive, but buying that standard package, 1879 with 40 odd minute flight time, you could pick an extra battery up as you go along. That's going to be an amazing drone for you guys. And let's not forget that the Mavic series lasts, it doesn't get refreshed every 6 months or every year. We probably won't see an upgrade of this Mavic 3 for a number of years. So once you buy this, you are then guaranteed to have this for a decent length of time. And from the reviews and videos I've seen already, it was a no-brainer that I wanted this drone because it just looks phenomenal. Firmware updates for this aren't ready just yet. There's going to be a huge firmware update coming in January, and that's going to bring you all the different features like the new active track. We'll discuss all that in a separate video. Now, I would recommend to you guys, if you're wanting to buy this, go and buy it today. With everything that's going on, products and technology is being delayed, and stuff coming into the country is also gets delayed and delayed. We've seen that with the recent MacBooks, the recent iPhones. Everything takes longer to get here. Currently on the DJI website, this is available for dispatch, and you'll have this next week. In the UK, any UK viewers, the only places you can buy this currently are on Amazon UK, and you can only get the Fly More combo. You can't get the other two versions, or the DJI Official website. I will link both of those in the description below. If you're going to go and pick it up, go and do so and treat yourself, and you will have a fantastic drone. And the big thing for UK, EU, this drone is under 900 grams, no matter which version you go for. So eventually, once everything gets sorted, this should be then retrofitted and be able to fly in that C1 category. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Really quick video there. Let me know if you're going to pick one of these up. Let me know if you're not. Comment down below. I can't wait for this to arrive and show you guys just how good it is. Take care. See you all soon. Bye bye.